Video today. Well, today I already got a victory royale. Yeah, you see that? You see how it's shiny? Hold on. Yeah, I just got a victory royale. I just like literally right now. Hold on, I think I have to go on a default. Yeah, I just won that game. So guess what? I had that katana, and I got like a power up, like those augments, and it said if you have like your katana, and you know like the delay, it cuts down the delay to half. So I just used my katana, and oh my god, I was winning so good. I was down to the top 3. And 2 people fighting, so then I tried to kill him, but but then the other guy killed one, then I killed him, and then I got that victory royale. Yeah. Here, let me show you the augment. Where's the augments? I'm so lost with this new season. Where's the augments? Oh, there's a new. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm level 20. Yeah. I only got like half the battle pass done. Not that much. I need this unlocked. Then I need all of this unlocked. Then all this. Whoa, no joke. Right here. Oh, like whatever his name is, I forgot. But I love this new season. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Peace, goodbye, and subscribe.